Yo, what's up guys, this is Sudeep here back with another video, and these are the Redmi Earbuds S. The truly wireless earbuds released by Redmi here in India under the price segment of Rs.2000, and after using these for a while, I really do think that these pack a punch for what price they come at. So in this video, we'll review them and see what they have to offer. Now with that being said, let's get started and we'll get to design and build first. So talking about the design, for the price, which is Rs.2000, these are actually really great. Now obviously these are made out of plastic, but it does come with a matte finish overall on the earbuds and also on the carrying case, so it compensates to the plastic being used. It does not feel cheap, and the earbuds are also really light. I think they're the lightest in the market, so kudos to Redmi for making them less hefty than the others in the competition. Now I also love the carrying case. It's really compact, and I mean they're so compact that they can actually fit in two of your fingers if you hold them. So I guess you know what I mean right here. They are really compact. So the whole design language is good. They're sleek. It's really compact. The whole thing is pretty much less hefty than the other devices in the competition. So the build and design is pretty good. But what this compactness affects is actually the removal of the earbuds from the case itself. It's actually pretty tough, and it becomes a job by itself. So that there is a small flaw because of the compactness of the device. And talking about design and build choices, Redmi really did put a physical button instead of a tap sensor here on the earbuds. So every time you control your music or something, every time you press it, it actually goes inside your ears a little, and it becomes irritating at points. But considering the price, I don't think we should be complaining. It comes at around 2000, so there will be a downgrade at some point of the build. So yeah, overall it is pretty much really great. The build is actually solid. It does not feel cheap at all, except the button, which feels irritating at point. So overall it's sleek, it's compact, it does its job. So yeah, a huge thumbs up for the build. Now the next thing to cover are obviously the features, and the first one on that list would be the quick pair feature. Now what this essentially is that once your device is connected to your phone, from the next time you just need to take both of your earbuds out and it gets connected instantly. Now I thought this feature would be slow or it would have connectivity issues, but no, it was actually pretty perfect. And also overall in terms of connectivity, it was pretty good, and I think that is because of the Bluetooth 5.2 technology. And also other features include that the device has an IPX4 splash and sweat resistance, so that's also pretty great. And also on the normal feature forefront, you have the press once to play or pause music. You can pick up calls with pressing once. You can press twice for assistant or Siri, and you can press thrice for low latency gaming mode. And the gaming mode was really good, and for what price this comes at, I think this is one of the star feature, and it did not let this device down. It worked really good. So yeah, on the feature forefront, it's really well done, so you don't have to worry about that. Now what powers all of those is obviously the battery, and that brings us to the battery backup. Now the case is a 300 mAh capacity one, and it charges through USB type B cable, and you can charge it to about 0 to 100% in 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Now for my use, it came at around 1.5 days because I'm a mild user, but even if you're a vigorous user, you can get about 15 to 16 hours of usage from this with constant recharging of the buds. So battery is not a problem over here. Now that brings us to the last part, fit and sound quality. And with fit, it was really great. It was really snug in the ear. You can exercise or go around walking and jogging with this one, and it would still stay intact. Now coming to sound quality, that's where it's kind of a mixed bag. The bass is good, the treble is great, and the vocals are also clear, but the loudness is where it gets affected with. Now the maximum you can reach with this one is at about 80% volume, and why you ask me? Because after that volume percent, the earbuds really do get quite squeaky. But on the other hand, the 80% volume mark itself does give good output. So overall the sound quality is decent. It's okay for the price, so you don't have to worry about it being so bad. But on the other hand, I also need to tell you guys that this does not come with a charging cable in the box itself. It's a part of the cost cutting measure, obviously, for the price it comes at. So yeah, I wanted to tell that, and that is also here. So overall, this earbuds, which come at the price of Rs.1800, is something new. I mean, there's only one proper truly wireless earphones under this price, which is from Petron, and they do not have this much of a good review, even though they've been here for a while. So I guess under the 2000 price segment, these TWS by Redmi is actually ranking number one right now. You can clearly go for it if you have a tight budget, but you still want a truly wireless headset for yourself. And I mean, I would recommend it. The build is good, there's good battery backup, and the features are also pretty great. You have a low latency gaming mode, and the only thing would be the loudness problem in this thing. Otherwise, it's a great device for what price you give for it. So yeah, that was it. Hope this video was helpful. If you did like it, give it a like. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. You can also visit my social handles or check me out on my website. We can collaborate and you can know more about me. So with that being said, this is Sudeep ST here, signing out for now. Until I meet you in the next one, peace out.